destination of my first ride 5 years ago. McDonald's in Crowley. We got inside to eat and drink some coffee, and we probably sat here about 30, maybe 40 minutes, just because I was still a little shaken to get back on the bike. Nothing happened. I was just still new and nervous to riding. Don't remember eating much or drinking much of the coffee. And by the time we got back home, Scott asked me how far we had ridden. And how far is it actually, Scott?
Like 9 miles each way.
So when he told me, I thought we had gone about 50 miles. He said no. I said 45, no. And he kept going down from there, but it really felt like a lot longer. So I hope you enjoyed the video and looking back with me over what I've learned riding the past 5 years. We are going to go ahead and head out for a beautiful day ride. Where are we going today?
Waxahachie.
So, as we mentioned, today marks the 5-year anniversary. My odometer is starting out the day at 38,458 miles. I am still wearing the same boots, same vest. I've gone through probably 5 helmets. We've been through 14 states. We've taken 3 large road trips that were 10 days plus. Still same riding partner. He's put up with me this long learning to ride. It's been a great time. Hope you go back through, look at some of our videos and some of the adventures we've had the last 5 years.